How to send email via Django? In my settings.py, I have the following. My email code. Of course, if I set up a debugging server via Python smtp dnc debugging server localhost column 1025, I can see the email in my terminal. However, how do I actually send the email not to the debugging server but to user@gmail.com? After reading your answers, let me get something straight. Can't you use localhost simple Ubuntu PC to send emails? I thought in Django 1.3 send_mail is somewhat deprecated and email message.send is used instead.
Send the email to a real SMTP server. If you don't want to set up your own, then you can find companies that will run one for you, such as Google themselves.
I use Gmail as my SMTP server for Django. Much easier than dealing with Postfix or whatever other server. I'm not in the business of managing email servers. In settings.py. Note, in 2016 Gmail is not allowing this anymore by default. You can either use an external service like SendGrid, or you can follow this tutorial from Google to reduce security but allow this option, this URL.
Create a project, Django admin.py start project Gmail. Edit settings.py with code below. Run interactive mode, Python manage.py shell. Import the email message module. Send the email. For more informations, check send_mail and email message features in documents. Update for Gmail. Also, if you have problems sending email via Gmail, remember to check this guides from Google. In your Google account settings, go to security is greater than account permissions is greater than access for less secure apps and enable this option. Also create an app-specific password for your Gmail after you've turned on two-step verification for it. Then you should use app-specific password in settings. So change the following line. Also, if you're interested to send HTML email, check this out.
My site is hosted on GoDaddy, and I have a private email registered on the same. These are the settings which worked for me. In settings.py, in shell, then I got one as the OPIE success. And I received the mail too. Smile. What is the meaning of domain.com?
Yes.